This is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for a solution to help with your dark circles or your puffy eyes in the morning, then check out these under eye patches from Celor. These eye patches are super easy to apply and they are soothing to your skin. They automatically have this cooling feeling as soon as you put them on, and if you want them to be a little bit more cold, you can always have them in the refrigerator for just a couple minutes before you put them on your eyes. What's great is that they are always individually wrapped, so one pack is good for a one-time use. It's pretty easy to tell which eye to put it from because the smaller end is always going to go closer into your eye and then wrap around as it gets bigger to the side. Also, they stick on your face very good. They don't like fall off when you move around. When I have time, I like to use these in the morning, but I also still am like getting ready. Maybe I'm blow drying my hair. If you're looking to add something to your morning routine, or maybe just a nice spa day with friends, then these eye patches are going to be a great addition for everyone to help with those puffy eyes and helping us feel our best and look our best. And that's my point of view.